So in your computer keyboard you can see this is the number lock key, so you must press the number lock. So now we have enabled the num lock. Now you can see alt key on the left side of space bar. You must press this alt key. You do not remove your finger from this alt key. At the same time you must type here 1 2 8 2 1 3. So after typing 1 2 8 2 1 3, then you can release your finger from this alt key. So if you do like that, then you can see that this symbol, so this is a notebook which is look like a closed book. So this book is closed, so a closed book symbol we have created in our computer. So you must try this only after opening your Microsoft Word document. So for more videos you can subscribe Engineers Online. Thank you.